This photo was taken in our climbing aster. Any idea what it is? It's the egg case of a Chinese mantis, a type of praying mantis that can often be found in our garden. Chinese mantises are native to Asia, but were accidentally brought to America over 100 years ago. It is now the largest species of mantis in North America. Look carefully among the plants, and you may see one. Praying mantises are predators that eat other insects in our garden. People like to have these hunters around because they eat garden pests. You can even buy their egg cases to release in the garden for some natural pest control. Mantises have excellent eyesight for hunting. In order to sneak up on their prey, mantises are often well camouflaged, even looking like leaves or sticks.